Village Punch Vivro, Kijibutip Namta Chingmare Marathon, Kanekabale Po Shillong is Khasi Hill, Fit India Freedom Run 4.0. Team the Swachh Bharat, organized by the Office of the District Sports Officer is Khasi Hill District Shillong, in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner is Khasi Hill District Shillong. Tekane kare tang 1 kilometer, starting and finishing point kan day po JN Stadium main gate Polo Ground Shillong Meghalaya. Starting time kan day news po 7:15 am. Date kan day live po October arjar fly. 5K open category kinlong may nakam tagwi above 18 years male and female. Ka price kalong arhajar paningkong kasan spa baar wat syajar balai. Cash prize of 1,000 namtaki veteran male and female top 3. Finisher plus 50 years of age. 5K under 18 years male and female yaki bahapo kat prasnem. Teka price kanong arhajar katan spa wat syajar. Teka registration link la ban register online yang sabuk link po description. La ban register offline yuk kumju. At the office of the district sports officer Shillong JN Stadium Polo on the 28 and 30 October 2023 from 11 am to 4 pm kadoi baje hadu 100 baje janmit. Tegi bom la ban lek bakwa shu apply online tengah book link hapo register po ka description sa check nang tu sa register lade basa shu lek be ha kalai phoi tarik man sim malek mare ban yo ekibit number jong phi. Chess number will be distributed on the 31st October man ha kalai phoi October hi kan ai ki chess number 23 from 6 am to 7 am pi hapoi khamkloi nin ru baje hadu nyo baje kan ai te nyo shpwa kan sedang gajing mare. Our starting point Paringalot Meghalaya Football Association Football Field Polo Shillong. Participants have to bring along their birth certificate epic card for each verification on the competition day. Hakapor katuas ni sawan rak lang bat ki birth certificate and epic card for each verification. Kamtam iki under 18. Teka root ni adap ai hang ni ngesdang main po polo hi te syat bi plun ni kamoro lat sanker MPS lat siap golf club tetem 1 pai biang nang tu Lecha FCI MECL 1 CSR bi main gate 1 poi biang sha po polo hi te nakam tak tu kiba kwa register online dengan pen EAP te anda pila klik ikal link an pen EAP direct kumno kan poi. Tenda pila klik ikal link ke bang labu apa description pila kan sami kumni Fit India Freedom Run 4.0 Swachh Bharat organized by Kumta Tatar sependap hang ni pendap name phone number address age kategori video ka kaneka kategori ke dia under na video open video senrang na video kan tang submit labiang dan kam ere kanamuan message kanamuan ere tang baladap submit labiang kla along bank Tetang kum nehi non kam ban pendap bun ban sumit non kam eres pendap tanya kan nehi tesa klik na ta link po description nam ta bakwa register ta kan ni khule shubun